Hi! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, we will be making DIY succulent soaps. And here's everything that we need. Check out the description box as I'll list everything that we will use, and all are available in Shopee. So the first is the mini electric stove. If you don't have this and kung ayaw mo bumili, you can just use your regular stove or induction cooker and the pot. Next is our soap base, which is glycerin. We have the clear and opaque kinds chopped into cubes para mas mabilis mag-melt. Next is the double boiler pot with long handle stirrer. You can use regular pot if wala kayong ganito. We also have pipettes. Pipettes. Next is our water-soluble colorant, and scents. We will be using succulent silicone molds. These are actually very soft and very easy to clean. You may or may not use soup spoons, and we will need water. Just a fair warning to everyone that we will be using an electric stove which will turn hot because kailangan natin i-melt ang soap, and this will be very hot. So if you can't handle this, or if you will need adult supervision, then please do so. So first, we'll boil 1/3 parts of water. We'll let the water boil. When you start seeing steam, we'll put this melting pot. Kasi yung steam ang magiging heat source for our glycerin to melt. So we're using the transparent glycerin first. And then we'll add color. What I'm making now are souvenirs for a wedding, and blue ang motif nila. So we're just matching the color of the souvenirs for their wedding. I'm using this soup spoon para mas may control ako in pouring the melted glycerin soap into the mold. Once napuno na ng melted soap ang mold, I just spray alcohol para mag-pop ang bubbles ng surface niya. Since I have used all of the molds for the transparent soap, I will be adding the opaque glycerin so I can start making the opaque set of succulent soaps. So basically, it's just the same thing. Lagay ang soap, just let it melt, add color, and add scent. Not only is it fun making these succulent soaps, but this could be a potential business for you, as you can make souvenirs and gifts for events like weddings, or pwede siyang gawing souvenirs for birthdays, for baptismals, so it's really up to you. Here's what it looks like after na-transfer ang melted soap into the molds.
Meanwhile,
here is a mandatory kitty break to brighten up your day.
tomorrow.
I left these molds overnight to harden, pero it only takes 4 to 6 hours for them to be ready. And here I'm showing where I cut a slit from the mold para mas easier siya for me to remove out of the mold. Kasi before, I didn't cut any slit and it was really hard for me to take the soap out of the mold. So, it's up to you kung ikakat nyo siya or hindi. Depende na lang kung kaya nyo talaga siyang tanggalin ng walang slits. So, the first set of soaps that we're removing from their molds are the transparent or the clear ones. And these are the opaque ones. So pretty. So as you can see from this soap, there's an over na shape because of the slit that we cut from the mold para mas mabilis siyang matanggal. So what I do is I get this tool, which is I got this from my nail kit. So may sharp part siya dun that I can use to scrape it off to get it back to its shape. So I just use it and just follow the shape of the soap and then tinatanggal ko lang siya para hindi siya masyadong obvious. And here's the finished product. Here we can see the difference between the clear and the opaque na sabon, and we can utilize the clarity of the clear soap para mas mapaganda ang mga sabon natin, which I will show in the next video. Just a reminder to keep these soaps in a cool, dry place as glycerin absorbs moisture from the air and mabilis siyang magpawis if you keep them somewhere na open area at mainit, especially if you're living in a high humidity city like me. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.